Hello! We are going to learn how to install the Arduino IDE. So, step one, we're going to go to the Arduino download link, which can be seen on the slide. It's just that link, so I'm just going to copy and paste it up here. You can also just search Arduino download and click on the link, and you'll want to go to this download page. So then you're going to want to scroll until you see this section that says downloads, and then you are going to click whichever download option fits your computer. So I am on a Windows 7 or newer, so I'm going to click that. And then you can hit just download and just hit next. We can say student. We'll see, what are we doing here? We'll say education. And we can exit out of that. So then you can see that it is downloading down here in the corner. We'll just wait for that to finish. And once it finishes, you're going to go ahead and open it. You can do that by clicking on it, and if you have a Mac, it might be a little bit different. Right now it's asking me, do I want to allow this app to make changes to my device? I'm going to hit yes. And then I have the Arduino installation wizard up, and I'm going to hit agree and then next. And I'm going to let it go under programs and hit install. All right, so now that it is completed, I can go ahead and hit close. And then when I go into my file folders, which I will come to my other screen, I can come up here and I can see that under documents, I now have Arduino as a folder. And next we're going to learn about how to install libraries. But for now, I'm going to go back over to my main screen and I'm going to search Arduino, and it should pop up. It's like a little figure 8 symbol. Perfect. And now I can see that I have Arduino installed. You can play around with some of the different files. Since I have had Arduino on this laptop before, it automatically opened one of my old sketches. If you've never used Arduino before, it should open up just a blank sketch. So don't worry if yours doesn't look like this, but feel free to mess around, play with it. You can make sure it's working by verifying anything, make sure that it's compiling. And then once you're ready, you can close out of all of these other tabs, and we will teach you how to install our GLE Arduino libraries.